Thank you. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to speak on this topic, and I want to acknowledge the great work of my colleague, Deputy Anne Rabbitte, for bringing this bill forward. Since the ruling by the Workplace Relations Commission in March this year, the whole area around au pairs and the work they do has been shrouded in confusion, and there is a legal and regulatory vacuum that needs to be addressed through legislation in a proper and prudent way. What happened at the Workplace Relations Commission and the case before it was a disgrace and was a breach of all rights that we want to uphold in this House. But I think it's important we bring regulatory and legal clarity to the situation rather than burying the cultural process of the au pair, and I think Deputy Rabbitte has struck that balance today in her bill. Due to the absence of legislation in this area, the Workplace Relations Commission took the approach of equating au pairs with domestic workers and thus ignored the cultural and other benefits that au pairs gain from their work. I've been contacted by many families who have informed me that due to the high cost of childcare, au pairs are the only form of affordable childcare to them. But unlike the case in the Workplace Relations Commission, these are families who value and appreciate the work au pairs undertake. It is not an overstatement to say that for many, au pairs became part of their family, and most have had positive experiences with their families there. Currently, the recruitment of most au pairs occurs via the internet, with no opportunity for the au pair to properly assess the conditions and environment of their work. This can lead to a whole host of problems and opens the au pair up to potential exploitation. If this bill is passed, the au pair and host would both have to sign a written agreement and go through an accredited au pair agency in order for it to be considered a legitimate au pair exchange. This will set out in precise detail what type of work the au pair will engage in and the hours involved. As we have heard, no more than 30 per week and no more than 7 in one day. Furthermore, the bill sees the establishment of mechanisms for hearing complaints, resolving disputes on behalf of au pairs and host families. I feel it is important to note that the concerns have been raised by interest groups in this area. These groups have a very important role to play in ensuring this sector operates properly. It is my view that this legislation will actually empower groups representing au pairs to ensure that they are not being exploited or taken advantage of, and I hope these groups engage fully with the plans and reform in the area. And I'm disappointed that the Minister has rejected this bill. What you're actually going to do is bury the au pair process underground, where they'll have no rights at all, and you'll see this in the future, and you're undermining this process, and it's a great disappointment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.